India is a country of incredible contrasts and fascinating geographical diversity. In this video, we're going to look beyond the maps, textbooks, and atlases to explore the unique ecological and cultural landscapes that make India such a captivating country. From its mighty rivers to its diverse wildlife and the people who call it home. Join me on this journey to discover the hidden gems and untold stories of India's geography. Now, most of us are familiar with India's physical geography. The Himalayas in the north, the Ganges in the north-central part, and the Western and Eastern Ghats along the west and east coast, respectively. But what about the other landforms that shape India's identity? Let's start with the Deccan Plateau. Stretching over 500,000 square kilometers, it makes up nearly 20% of India's total area. The plateau is predominantly covered in tropical dry forests and is home to several important cities, including Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Chennai. But did you know that this region is also home to a unique black soil that is highly suited for cotton cultivation? This fertile soil, known as rega or vertisol, is formed from the weathering of the Deccan Traps, a massive outpouring of lava from volcanic activity millions of years ago. The result is a rich, deep black soil that retains water well and provides an ideal environment for cotton plants to thrive. In fact, the Deccan Plateau is one of the largest contiguous areas under cotton cultivation in the world. Another intriguing feature of India's geography is the Brahmaputra River. Originating from Tibet, the river flows through the northeastern states before emptying into the Bay of Bengal. It is one of the longest rivers in India and is crucial for the region's water management. Did you know that the Brahmaputra has a unique characteristic known as the Brahmaputra Barrage? It occurs when the river splits into multiple distributaries, creating a network of channels and islands. This phenomenon is particularly evident during the monsoon season, when the river's discharge increases dramatically. But India's geographical wonders don't stop there. Let's now turn our attention to the state of Rajasthan, which is dominated by the Aravalli Hills. These ancient mountains run through the western part of the state and are considered the oldest fold mountains in India. They played a significant role in shaping Rajasthan's ecosystem and human settlements. Despite their rugged terrain, the Aravalli Hills are home to several sacred lakes, including the famous Pushkar Lake, which hosts the largest camel fair in the world. Moving further south, we encounter another prominent landform, the Western Ghats. Spanning over 1,600 kilometers along the west coast, the Ghats are a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for their biodiversity hotspots, including the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which is home to a wide range of endemic plant and animal species. One notable resident is the lion-tailed macaque, a critically endangered primate found only in the Western Ghats. Now let's shift our focus to the eastern part of India and explore the less explored yet equally fascinating region of Meghalaya. The state derives its name from the Sanskrit words Meg, meaning cloud, and Alaya, meaning abode, aptly describing its perpetual cloud cover and misty mountains. Meghalaya is home to the wettest place on Earth, Cherrapunji, which receives an average rainfall of over 11,000 millimeters annually. This abundance of water has led to the formation of unique geological formations, such as living root bridges. These natural bridges are formed by the aerial roots of banyan and fig trees that grow over streams, creating a network of interconnected root systems that can span entire valleys. However, not all landforms in India are natural. Some have been shaped by human activities, such as the extensive canal systems in the state of Punjab. This region, often referred to as the breadbasket of India, relies heavily on irrigation for agriculture. The extensive canal network, a legacy of the British colonial rule, distributes water from the Sutlej, Beas, and Ravi rivers, enabling the cultivation of crops such as wheat, rice, and cotton. As we continue our exploration of India's geography, it's important to recognize the influence of these landforms on the country's climate. India experiences a wide range of climatic conditions, from the tropical climate of the southern peninsula to the temperate climate of the Himalayas. The monsoon climate, characterized by heavy rainfall during certain months of the year, is another defining feature of India's weather patterns. These climatic conditions not only shape the physical environment, but also influence the types of crops grown and the lifestyles of the people who live there. India's climate has a profound impact on its agriculture, which in turn affects the lives of millions of people. The fertile plains of the Indo-Gangetic Delta are one of the most agriculturally productive regions in the world, thanks to the alluvial soil deposited by the Ganges River. Crops such as rice, wheat and sugarcane flourish in this region, providing food and livelihood to a large portion of the population. The cultural landscape of India is just as diverse as its physical geography. The country is home to numerous linguistic, religious, and ethnic groups, each with its own traditions and customs. The Indo-Aryan languages, including Hindi and Bengali, are widely spoken across the country, while Dravidian languages such as Tamil and Telugu are prominent in the south. Religious diversity is also a defining feature of India's cultural landscape. Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism originated in the Indian subcontinent, and the country is also home to a significant Muslim, Christian and Dalit population. This religious mosaic has contributed to the rich cultural heritage of India. Furthermore, India's cultural landscape is dotted with numerous pilgrimage sites that hold religious significance for various faiths. The city of Haryana, for example, is a sacred city for Hindus, Jains and Sikhs, while Amritsar is a holy city for Sikhs. These pilgrimage sites not only serve as centers of religious devotion, but also as hubs of cultural and social activity. As we delve deeper into India's cultural landscape, let's explore the lives of the people who call this country home. India is a country with a long history of trade and cultural exchange. Cities like Mumbai and Kolkata have served as important ports and commercial centers for centuries, connecting India to the wider world. These coastal cities have witnessed the arrival of traders, missionaries, and colonial powers, each leaving their mark on India's cultural tapestry. Mumbai, formerly known as Bombay, is a bustling metropolis that has emerged as a major financial and entertainment hub of India. Its strategic location on the west coast has made it a key player in international trade. The city's iconic CST station, originally called Victoria Terminus, stands as a testament to its colonial past and serves as a reminder of the city's importance as a gateway to India. On the eastern coast, Kolkata, formerly known as Calcutta, holds historical significance as the former capital of British India. The city's connection to the sea has been vital to its development, with the Hooghly River serving as a lifeline for trade and transport. Kolkata's Grand Hotel, built in 1929, is a symbol of the city's grandeur during the British Raj and reflects its status as a cultural and intellectual centre. India's cultural landscape is also shaped by its traditional arts and crafts. From the vibrant colours of Rajasthan's block printing to the intricate designs of Kashmiri carpets, each region has its own unique artistic heritage. These handicrafts not only reflect the creativity of the artisans, but also serve as a means of preserving cultural traditions. Rajasthan is renowned for its block printing, a technique where wooden blocks are used to stamp vibrant colors onto fabric, creating intricate patterns and designs. This traditional craft has been passed down through generations of artisans, each adding their own unique touch to the art form. The state of Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its carpet weaving, a craft that has been nurtured in the region for centuries. The carpets of Kashmir are known for their exquisite designs and high quality, with motifs often inspired by nature and local culture. As we conclude our exploration of India's cultural landscape, it's important to acknowledge the challenges and changes that this vast and diverse country faces. India is a rapidly developing country with growing urbanization and industrialization. These changes bring both opportunities and challenges for the people and the environment. The growing population and urbanization have led to issues such as air and water pollution, as well as the need for sustainable urban planning. India's industrial development has contributed to its economic growth, but it also faces the challenge of balancing industrialization with environmental protection. The shift towards a more globalized economy has opened up new opportunities for trade and investment, but it has also brought challenges related to competition and the need to adapt to changing market demands. Despite these challenges, India's cultural landscape continues to evolve and adapt. The country's youth population and its embrace of technology and innovation are driving forces of change and growth. India's cultural richness and diversity continue to attract people from around the world, making it a vibrant and dynamic country. From its majestic mountains to its bustling cities, India's geography is a tapestry of natural and human-made wonders. Understanding India's geography goes beyond memorizing facts and figures. It's about appreciating the intricate web of physical, human, and environmental factors that shape this extraordinary country. As we've explored in this video, India's geography is a source of national pride, cultural richness, and economic opportunity. Embracing sustainability, diversity, and innovation will be key to ensuring that India's geography continues to be a source of strength and prosperity for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the hidden gems and untold stories of India's geography. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating geography content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.